we have finally made it back to the Dogwood Trail. This was our first vlog ever, and it has been under construction. No more is it under construction. So we are ready to hike it again. But anyways, so we're excited. It's a fairly easy hike. It's not too much elevation. It's a super enjoyable hike, like views every couple feet, so or every couple miles, so it's really cool and awesome to see. So we're excited to be here, and we're excited to hike again. It's been raining the past 2 days, so the weather is beautiful again, a little bit more chilly than it has been. It's only a high of 65 today, so this is the high. So we're excited, and thank you for joining us.
Oh God, please tell me I'm not the only one who's in this situation. Just when I think of you, my fingers started shaking. I've known you for 2 days, I'm sorry I forgot your name, and it's not your fault, but just believe my heart is breaking into two. I want you, I want I know that it just ain't gonna work. I know that it just ain't gonna work.
Finished Dogwood Trail for the second time, and it was just as incredible with just as amazing views. We stayed out on the rocks for about 3 hours and had a blast, and we are, as you can see, darker outside, and we are headed home. We are tired, And it was another amazing day spent in Bull Shoals.
Pretty ass. Open pretty ass. No, not like that, dingus. Yeah, like that.